Hey guys, what's up? So tell me, showing you guys how to fix the pop-up, blink pop-up not loading. So first off, whenever you guys have trouble, always go to basic troubleshooting, right? It's always a good place to start off because, you can pretty much narrow down exactly what is causing the error or where the error is coming from. So you can try like reinstalling Chrome, you can try updating Chrome, try different computers, try your phone, web browser, try different browsers on the same computer. So obviously if it's not working on two different browsers on the same computer and it's working on a different computer or on your phone, and it could be more likely the computer or it could be the browser issue if it's not working on the browser. Like on Chrome, but it's working on Firefox on the same computer, then more likely it's a browser issue. So that's a good place to start off as. So you guys, a big thing also is going to your settings in Chrome, and then also trying to see if you can like enable or disable pop-ups and all that, and go to your website settings and see if anything you can turn off and on there that can help fix the issue. That might be the case as well. But for this error or issue, this was a specific fix. And pretty much you guys can click on the three dots here, and then you guys can click on settings, and then you have all your settings here, so you guys can actually go over to I think it's privacy and security, and you go to also clearing cache and cookies and all that. That's also good to do that every now and then because it clears up like the junk and all that, and it does make Chrome run faster, and it also could solve some issues as well. So definitely try clearing cache and cookies. Third party cookies as well. You can also go down to the site settings, and then we also can go over to scroll down, and we have all this information right here. We can toggle that. But JavaScript, make sure that's on. You do a pop-up settings right here. So click on here, and mine is off. This is like a different pop-up. This is like if the website is like redirecting you, but not the pop-up off my school site. So, for example, my exact issue is with my school website. So this nothing in settings actually has anything to do with it, but you can always compare it by if you did mess around with your settings, you can actually download use a different browser, like sign in with like a different account, like different Google account, and then go through the settings on each of the accounts, and then also see which ones you change and which one is different if it works on like the other Google account but not this one. Because my exact issue was that it was working on my other Google account, but it wasn't working on this specific Google account right here. Also, just if you guys don't care to reset, you also got here, click on reset settings, and then do that, and then see if it's working. So that's also another like a last resort issue is resetting your settings and all that. So my issue specifically was the I'll show you. So I go to here and I click onto here, it'll be blank, right? Like nothing will load up here, and like I wasn't sure why, I wasn't sure what's going on. But if I load up my other Google account, it worked, and I was kind of figuring out like what is the difference. And I don't know why. It took me like a month just to like think about it or like figure it out. But it's actually my Google. Always check this too. It's important. If you install a lot of Google Chrome extensions, always check those as well because that's actually where the issue was coming from that I had. So we actually go over to here and go over to extensions and then go over to manage extensions. These are all the extensions that we have. So what I did was I turned them all off. I tried again and it was working. So then I went through each one individually, turn off and on, and see if it was actually which one was the culprit. So for me, it actually was Quizard. Who would ever thought, right? But yeah, so it was Quizard for me. So you can see right here, if I go back to email, when I load it, it's not. So it loads up for a second and then it just goes away, right? But if I go back to it and then we go to turn it off, so you turn off or remove it, but I'm not gonna remove it. But if I just turn it off, and then we go back to email and then launch it up, it does work. So obviously I'm gonna have like a lot of things blurred out because it's private information. But you see now the information does load, which is good. So you guys, that is pretty much how to fix it. There's a bunch of troubleshooting options. Check your Chrome extensions, check your Chrome settings, do some basic troubleshooting. And if you guys are still having issues with your pop-ups not loading or whatever, or any other Chrome basic issues, try to leave them down below, and other people can try to help you out as well as myself. So thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.